Come on. Saan naman dito? Gilur man gud sa mama kay ang babae, di man siya Katoliko gud. Mo nang gi-convince niya dili ni mo apel-apel aning communion rights cause she's not aron man Catholic. Ang gusto niya yato therapy center ba so ako ta Katoliko man siya pero I'm not sure kung iya mag-convert sa during time na siyang mama. So ako lang is we are in a Roman Catholic institution. She's studying here. She's supposed to respect my daughter's religion.
Your classmates are there.
It's Tita MJ lang ga, okay?
Let's go. Caitlin Ray's there.
Lucy. Your friends are waiting for you here lang ga, okay? You're already in the school. It's just quick. After that, you're going to your mama now. After. Just wait for, just
It's
spend
just
2 hours of your time, okay?
Yes.
Just 2 hours, spend 2 hours of your time, Lucy. Come on.
Why? What's wrong, man, Lucy?
It's Tita MJ lang ga. It's Tita MJ, okay?
What's wrong?
It's just quick.
Caitlin Ray's
After 2
there.
hours, you're going to your mama. And you're going to the therapy center.
No, let's go. It will be quick, man. Okay, let's go.
Okay, Tita MJ will take care of it. Tita MJ will take you there, okay? Tita MJ, Tita MJ.
With you, man. Sige na.
Okay.
Let's go.
Don't worry, your mama will be fine, okay? Your mama will be fine. She's not gonna get mad at you, okay?
Let's go.
Okay?
Lucy.
It's Tita MJ lang ga. It's your teacher lang ga.
No, your classmates are there. They're waiting na for you. No, let's go.
I'll give you the shoes lang ga. Okay ra mas chinilas siya.
Oh.
Wala. Let's go, Lucy. It's Tita MJ. I'll watch over. I'll be with you, okay? I'll be with you coming inside,
They're
okay?
just in the dining room, man. In the canteen.
Okay. It just be quick, okay? It will just be quick. After 2 hours, you're going to your mama after 2 hours, okay? We just have to follow these school activities, okay? Okay? It's fine, no nga. Ate Ellen will come with you also, okay? Ate Ellen. She will escort you, okay? Ate Ellen will come with you. Come on, let's go na, go na. Lako na, nini. Go, let's go na. Okay.
Dali.
Go na. Yeah. Lucy, it's fine, okay? This school is friendly to us, okay? Stop crying. Okay, I'll buy you after something, okay? As deliver food in your mama's place, okay? Okay, Ate Ellen will come with you. Come on.
Let's go. Your classmates are waiting for you. Your friends are there now inside.
It's Caitlin. Caitlin's waiting for
you.
Caitlin's waiting for you na nga.
Yeah, let's go. I'll be with you, man. I will be there.
Okay, Tita MJ will go. Remember back in the zoo? In the safari? She's with us, okay? Okay, come on. Okay. Yeah. It's fine.
Let's go.
Don't be scared, okay? I'll be following you.
I will be with you, man.
Okay? I'll watch over you, okay? Don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared lang, okay? Sige na.
Please.
Hadlocks, mama. Sige na.
Communion will be next Saturday.
Okay, do not miss it, okay? Because on Sunday, you'll be with me na, okay? I'll take care of you on Sunday, okay? It's fine, sir. Okay. Tita MJ and Ate Ellen will come with you inside. We'll go inside.
Why, man? What's wrong?
Don't be scared. Okay.
I
Lucy.
They will give you many snacks, na?
Oh, Ate MJ will give you some snacks. Okay? Come on. It will just be quick lang ga. It will just be quick. After that, you will go to your mama. Okay? Saan ko na dito? Masa man yung activity niya karon?
Practice yun, sir. Communion.
Nya, ma'am, kung iyan i-miss unsa man, wala ra.
Wala, okay naman, sir. Naapa man next week.
Makahabol pa siya. Dali na siya ihabol.
Oh, dali naman, sir. Nakapractice naman ni sa Tibok Flow Jude yesterday.
Okay.
Next week, practice sila Tuesday to Friday.
Nya, okay ra lang. Di na natapog sa.
Okay na, sir.
Sige. Okay. Sige.